Learn English to Gujarati condition words. If, before, as soon as in.
Gujarati.
Welcome to Conditional Chaos. Hey, you're about to learn some very useful English to Gujarati connectors, and yes, we will make grammar less scary than a squirrel with a spreadsheet. Today you will meet the mighty little words that run plans, promises, excuses, and dramatic family negotiations. We will learn
Jo.
for if,
Jo એવું બને કે.
for in the event that,
જો કે.
and,
જો કે. શરતે.
for provided that,
ધારી લો કે.
for assuming that,
જ્યાં સુધી.
for as long as,
જેમ જ.
for as soon as, and,
પહેલા.
for before. In short, this is the language of maybe, only if, right away, and do your homework first. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, laugh a little, and repeat the Gujarati phrases when they appear. Think of
જો.
as the simple starter. If this happens, then something else happens. Think of
જો કે.
and
જો કે. શરતે.
as stronger forms. Yes, but only under a condition. Think of
જો એવું બને કે.
as formal backup plan language, in the event that something happens. Think of
ધારી લો કે.
as hypothesis language, assuming that, let us imagine this is true. Think of
જ્યાં સુધી.
as a condition that continues for some time, as long as. Think of
જેમ જ.
as immediate action, as soon as. Think of
પહેલા.
as the polite voice of planning, before. A very serious cat makes rules. Let us learn through a story, because grammar wearing a costume is easier to remember. You arrive at the house of Professor Whiskers, a cat with glasses, a tiny tie, and the emotional stability of a weather app. He looks at you and says, "You may enter."
જો કે. શરતે.
You bring snacks. You nod respectfully, because this cat clearly runs the neighborhood. Then he adds, "You may sit on the sofa."
જો કે.
You do not disturb my nap schedule. Suddenly the sky gets dark. Professor Whiskers says,
જો એવું બને કે.
"It rains, close the windows." Then he strokes his imaginary beard and continues.
ધારી લો કે.
The fish delivery is late, what is our emergency plan? You answer.
જો.
The fish is late, we order paneer. The professor gasps. This is apparently controversial. Condition words in action. Now you will hear clear examples you can actually use. Repeat the Gujarati phrase after each sentence if you want. If it rains, we will stay home. In Gujarati, start with
જો. જો.
Verisada paid, to aim gari rahism. You can borrow the car, provided that you return it tonight. Use
જો કે. શરતે.
tame kara lai seiko.
જો કે. શરતે.
Tame tane ahe rotter parada apo. You may go, provided that you finish your work. Use
જો કે.
tame j seiko.
જો કે.
Tame tamaram kama puram karo. In the event that the train is late, take a taxi. Use
જો એવું બને કે. જો એવું બને કે ટ્રેન મોડે આવે તો ટેક્સી લે.
assuming that she is right, we should listen carefully. Use
ધારી લો કે. ધારી લો કે તે સાચી છે તો આપણે ધ્યાનથી સાંભળવું જોઈએ.
I will help you as long as you tell the truth. Use
જ્યાં સુધી.
hum tamari madada carissa.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Tame sakam kaho. As soon as I arrive, I will call you. Use
જેમ જ. જેમ જ હું પહોંચું હું તમને ફોન કરીશ.
think before you speak. Use
પહેલા. તમે બોલો તે પહેલા વિચારો.
tiny dialogue, big drama. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine two friends trying to organize a picnic with the efficiency of sleepy potatoes. A. Will we go to the park tomorrow? B.
જો.
It is sunny, yes. A. Great. And can I bring my cousin? B. Yes.
જો કે.
He does not play the trumpet during lunch. A. Fair. What about snacks? B. We will buy them.
જો કે. शरतें.
Everyone pays. A. Oho, democracy. B. Also.
जो એવું બને કે.
It rains, we meet at my house. A. And.
ધારી લો કે.
Your house loses electricity? B. Then we sit in the dark and discuss our life choices. A. Nice. I will text you.
જેમ જ.
I wake up. B. Please wake up.
પહેલા.
Noon. A. No promises. B. The picnic survives.
જ્યાં સુધી.
You are not in charge of timing. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let us make these phrases memorable with silly images. Your brain loves ridiculous stuff, so let us help it. Picture a door with a sign, open only.
જો કે. શરતે.
That means provided that there is a condition. Picture a polite gatekeeper saying yes, but only.
જો કે.
You follow the rule. Picture an emergency card in your pocket labeled.
જો એવું બને કે.
That is your backup plan phrase. Picture a professor writing on a board.
ધારી લો કે.
That is the language of assumptions and hypotheses. Picture a road continuing.
જ્યાં સુધી.
The bridge lasts. That is as long as. Picture a finger snap for.
જેમ જ.
Immediate action, no lazy delay. Picture a stop sign just before a door for.
પહેલા.
And for the humble hero.
જો.
Imagine a fork in the road. If this path, then that result. Quick drill round. You know the rules. I say the English meaning, you try the Gujarati. Then I give you the answer. How do you say if?
જો.
How do you say provided that?
જો કે.
How do you say provided that, with a stronger condition?
જો કે. શરતે.
How do you say in the event that?
જો એવું બને કે.
How do you say assuming that?
ધારી લો કે.
How do you say as long as?
જ્યાં સુધી.
How do you say as soon as?
જેમ જ.
How do you say before?
પહેલા.
Mini challenge. Let us see if these connectors are becoming your new best friends. Do not panic. Even Professor Whiskers once confused a fishbowl with a soup bowl. Say this in Gujarati. If possible, arrive early. Start with.
જો.
Say this in Gujarati. Call me in the event that you need help. Use.
જો એવું બને કે.
Say this in Gujarati. Assuming that everything works, the plan can start tomorrow. Use.
ધારી લો કે.
Say this in Gujarati. I will stay as long as it is quiet. Use.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Say this in Gujarati. As soon as the rain stops, we will go outside. Use.
જેમ જ.
Say this in Gujarati. Wash your hands before dinner. Use.
પહેલા.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced a set of connectors that make your Gujarati sound more precise, natural, and much more alive. Today you learned.
જો. જો કે. જો કે. શરતે. જો એવું બને કે. ધારી લો કે. જ્યાં સુધી. જેમ જ.
And.
પહેલા.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases aloud, and try using them in your own sentences. You are doing great, and the more you practice, the more naturally Gujarati will come to you.